my brother. So this life and another life.
For the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
If you already know what we are doing today, say hey, hey.
You are lost, swear, you are okay. You are gonna keep the girl. You're growing a crazy girl. Crazy girl.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Victoria and Babe, but I'm sure you already knew that. Okay, so I know you guessed it right. Yes, whenever you see this, it's get ready with me. And I am going on a date, but first, before I start telling you all these things, I need to quickly style my hair. Gosh, I look rough. Like everything is just happening today that I decided to go on my dates. Look, my 2 nails went off today. Now I'm left with this, but it's okay. It's okay. A pretty girl is a pretty girl. Okay, now I am done with my baby hair. So, like I was saying, I am going for a dinner date, and I think it's going to be a wine night for me because I want to wear, and I'll show you later on, something he got for me. It's a bright color. I think it's more of white and gray. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's more of that. So I want to, do a simple red lips look. So it's going to be a very so guys, what do you think of this hair? My hair is old now. If you've seen this hair in my previous video, then you know what hair this is. I made a vlog of my sister making this hair. Nala, can you stop breathing into my mic? And yeah, so the hair is old, and it really took me a while to figure out what I needed to do with this hair. I hope this looks good. At the end of this video, I really want you guys to rate my look, okay? So without wasting your time, I think we should just get into this makeup. So like I said, I'm giving a matte look. Does not mean I'm not going to glow within. So what I'm going to do is use this. I'll just put a little on my palm like this, just this little, and then I'll add almond oil to this, and I don't know if you guys see it. So I'm just going to rub it all together and rub it on my face and neck. I'm not going to let it touch my eyebrows though.
Loving you's men are crazy. Never will I have to take a pain just to get those way. Get this way. If you're ready, girl, baby girl. You are lost, swear, you are.
Now that we got this out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and use my brows. I like to use pencil. I want a light brow too. Right, I'm just going to comb my brows first, and then sharpen. You guys are going to excuse me because right now I'm using my phone to draw this brow, but I think I want to use a mirror. So let's get into it. Besides, I don't think this is a makeup tutorial video. If you guys want one, please comment below and I'll be willing to give one. Like, it's not a big deal, it's just makeup, okay? Yeah. But this is basically the kind of brow I want, something simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this one, okay?
You know that I need you.
I think we have a good brow, so I'm just going to clean it up with concealer. What I really want to do a get to know me. I want to redo my get to know me videos, and I want you guys to be the one to ask me questions. So if there's any question you want to ask me, anything at all, drop that in my comment section like below. And if you've watched up to this length and you haven't still liked my video, like, what's up now? Did I do something to offend you? To like that button is free, so just please help me click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, of course subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, that I think I want to really answer a very simple question. So this is the concealer I use. So I said I was going to say this in another video, but let me just say it, okay? I don't actually spend money on makeup. Most of you might know that, some of you might not. In fact, some of you might know that and most of you might not. I don't spend money on makeup. I hardly make up. So honestly, my makeup, I either buy them from a beauty supply or Walmart. I don't have a brand that I am really particular about. Maybe while I was in Nigeria, I loved Zaron and I still have it, but I'm not really a makeup person. In fact, I believe in new products. I feel like the newer the product, the more better it works. Okay, so let me just do my brow. I'm going to use this to she can see now. I'm going to use this to clean up my brows. Yes, I have done this and I want to finish up the upper part. So I'm done with this and I want to answer a question. I actually want to answer a question that somebody asked me a few days ago while I was out. The person asked me, what are the most important things you need to do in life to succeed? Nala, can you stop making noise, please? I am on YouTube. Stop scratching that stuff. Alright, I answered. You know the funny thing, my mind did not actually go to the cliche ones we know, like you have to go through school, you have to do this or you have to do that. My mind went to the biblical things and I don't know why. I guess it's because, in fact, I actually know why, because it sums up everything. So the first thing I answered was love Jesus. Listen, if you love Jesus, then you draw closer to Jesus. You want to know Jesus every day, closer and closer. You want to be really close to him because, like everybody knows, he does amazing things. He does wonders and miracles. So once you love Jesus, you go close to him, you read your Bible, and there in the Bible you will see that it says God helps those who help themselves. You cannot sit down in your house and wait for God to knock on your door before you know that you're supposed to, start making efforts. He finishes it for you. Now, my second answer to that question was love your neighbor as yourself. Listen, loving your neighbor as yourself is the best thing that can ever happen to you, after loving Jesus. Because, in fact, the only way you can actually know how to love your neighbor is by loving Jesus. So you have to, in fact, everything I am saying is accordingly. Okay, you have to love Jesus first, then love your neighbor as yourself. I'm not saying you should not love your neighbor or be around somebody that is very troublesome. I'm just saying just love them. Whenever they reach out to you, even if you're not in good terms with them, yes, talk to them. Okay, even if you don't have anything to say, like when they call you. In fact, what I always tell myself is kill them with happiness. Okay, kill them with kindness. Those two things, kill them with happiness, kill them with kindness. They're going to keep telling themselves, this girl that I just did this to, she's still acting like this. Yes, do that. Love your neighbor as yourself. You don't have to be there with them all the time. Just love them, even if it's from a distance. Just love them. Don't do to people what you wouldn't want them to do to you. Okay, and the third and final thing is to forgive yourself and people. What are you doing, Nala? The one thing that I believe brought me far was the fact that I could forgive people. Not because I wanted to forgive them or anything. I forgive them for my own freedom. Okay? There's no how you can live happily always thinking that, oh, this person did this to me, this person did this to me, I'll never forget it. You are disturbing yourself, you are disturbing your mind, you are disturbing your brain, your head, your thinking. Like, you're supposed to be spending that time doing something that will add value to your life. Okay, so I believe in forgiving yourself for whatever you think you might have done and forgiving people. If somebody hurts you, like, just let it go. When God says he's going to avenge them, he means it. Like, he will. You don't even know how he will, but it's there in the Bible. You can go and read it. He said he's going to avenge them. Okay, any wicked person. So I think it's really good to forgive people. Like, just forgive them and let go. Like, greater things, greater heights, you will not believe how you got there. So just forgive people and forgive in yourself. Don't be, now, what are you doing? Why are you like this? You want to spoil this chair? You can't mind now. Anyway, you have to just forgive people. So now that I've said this, I have to rush my makeup because my date is almost here. Now let's begin. Second thing I like to do is I like to draw my lips from the onset.
No wonder you see it like I'm speeding crazy.
I only do this when I'm giving red lips because I'm still going to apply foundation and everything. So because I really want a subtle look, I'm just going to go ahead and use my concealer down here. Just give it 3 dots, you know. And I'll go ahead to use my sponge. Okay, I like to add a little water. As you can see, there's water in this. I don't know why the water is choosing to embarrass itself, but you can see my hand, there's water in this. Not too much, not till it's damp, just a little water. And then I'm going to go ahead and damp it here. The reason why it's so smooth like this is because I already oiled my face, okay? So I'm just going to apply very little foundation, just like this, with my hair here. That's all. And I'm going to use this sponge to spread it all over.
And if you run to me, girl, I'll show you some weekend way. Yeah. You know I love you. You know I adore you. You know I grab you, I hold you, I touch you. Never told you. You know that I need you.
Listen, you don't have to do too much foundation or anything, especially when you know that you come back to just clean your makeup and go to bed. So yeah, this is all the foundation that I am applying and all the contour. You're not going to see any contour, any liquid contour actually. I'm going to use something else, so just watch me, okay?
I put fire good for the fire. Send you the wire. Now you are go am and I no go retire. Bedroom voice be like say you did for the choir. Do they miss?
Radio kill. Ready kill a baby girl, yeah. She may run to queen.
Artists don't go superstar lifestyle. Nobody can feel relate. All of my girls them.
How you feel, girl? You like it in Miami, on seashells. Everything you want me, let me on me, girl. If you like it, you can pay me for free. You can spend it on me, girl. If you wanna turn around, tell me, girl. Everything that you see in my belief, girl. If you like it, you can put it on me, girl. Run to queen, that's why I call you my niece.
Delete every virus from my system. All these fucking bad belly peeps.
Told you some weekend ways. Yeah. Come on, break it on a waistline. You know I like it on a
I'ma get what's in the sun. I didn't wait for you to give me some.
Feeling is what master crazy. Oh, yeah, oh. No wonder you see it like I'm speeding crazy. Yeah, it's a regular baby girl. No wonder Samantha, I call her, she banged up the flashlight. you want the game. You wanna kill a people girl. Like blowing a crazy girl. Crazy girl. Yeah. Shimmer around the windows, why I call you.
I am almost done, like 90% done actually. And these lashes are giving vibes, like they look like the permanent lashes. But they're just strip lashes. Well, they're mink lashes.
You know I'm done. You know I'm crap. I touch. Never touch you.
And that's it. This is my simple goal. All I have to do right now is just like mascara and then my eye. I'm good. Like simple, easy peasy.
Got to Kristen, yeah, babe, Kristen, yeah, babe.
Any other way, you tell me 1,000 times I'm all yours. I feel out of my mind.
So this is what the cloth looks like. Never been worn. It was a gift from my date. Where's it from? It's from Ted Baker, London. So pretty. I think it's a bodycon dress. Well, we'll see how it looks on my body. Nala, do you like it? The lighting is so nice and I'm done. What do you guys think? I'm keeping it simple with my outfit. And look guys, I got a flower. That's so good. It's beautiful, right? All my favorite colors are in it. So, stay.
Every look you chance my brother. For this life and another life. But I want to my tell. If you don't mind, we can come to my tell. If you don't mind, we can come to
Civil ladies from nature, sticky smooth temperamental architecture.
So if you want, I got it. So no time for the baby, you love you. You want, and if you move it, I want it. So no time for the shortage. So I can spray my life on you. Last night when I heard you gone, okay, you talking to a fighter like you, yeah. And I had to step into this, like I wait to see my baby in a